it up for the CEO of ClickUp, Mr. Zeb Evans, everybody.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to LevelUp 2021.
Level up, let's go.
Level up.
We're coming to you live from sunny San Diego. This is going to be an incredible day. You're going to learn how to become a productivity pro.
Our vision from day one has been one place for all of your work. One platform that works for everyone and everything. I'm so excited to have everybody here today, connected both in person and remote around the world.
I think the power of thinking like a scientist is that it motivates you to listen to the ideas that make you think hard.
You really have to make sure that the entire team is focused on one single goal.
I like to say that ClickUp replaces half of your brain space. You get to spend more time on what actually matters.
We have our new ClickUp University. It's live right now.
It's incredible what you can accomplish inside of whiteboards.
Let's release it right now.
Ship it.
What do you think is that thing that makes people go from pro to Hall of Fame?
Perseverance. I'm still a pro skater. I'm 53. So are you clapping because I'm still alive or because I skate?
I see that you're wearing your Padres jersey today. Every baseball game, in my mind, is a project, is an event that needs to be organized specifically, and ClickUp helps us do that.
It's been an honor to be on stage with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I've had a blast. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.